Hey DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making over some thrift store nightstands using decor transfers from Redesign with Prima. These are going in my new guest room, and I cannot wait to share this project with you. Now, before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make over these nightstands. I have been wanting to share this design tip with you for a while. At most hardware stores, you can order a 15.7 ounce Benjamin Moore color sample for about $6.99. It's a little less than a quart, and you can choose any color and finish that you want. For these nightstands, I wanted to try using the decor transfers on a bright color just to see if they would stand out, and I was pleasantly surprised at how opaque they were over this gorgeous Kelly green. I have to admit I was a bit hesitant about trying the decor transfers on an uneven surface, but with a little cutting, and you can also use a craft blade here, I was able to transfer the design with great results. And honestly, because the nightstands were $5 each, I was up for the challenge. I'm going to leave a link to Redesign with Prima and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll love the Big Ass Book of Home Decor, and I will see you next week. Bye.